What's good, you guys? Logan D Vlogs here. And it is a nasty day out. I'm not doing today. It's mid-November and it's slightly warm. Okay, so it's like 60 degrees. Okay, it's not that warm. I'm wearing a sweatshirt and hat and everything. It's really not that nice out. But there's also a chance of tornadoes today. Like, how is that even possible? It's mid-November. It should be freezing out, right? And it's not that cold. It's kind of been weird lately. Hope this winter doesn't suck. So I haven't made a vlog in a long time. And, you know, someone asked me, he's like, hey, you should start making vlogs again. And I'm thinking, I'm like, man, I suck at making vlogs. And I'm like, you know what? It gave me something to do. I've kind of just been going to work late in the day and kind of having the whole day free to just do nothing. So, I mean, might as well. UPS, not as cool. Never gonna be as cool. Probably shouldn't have showed that logo. Imagine you didn't see that. Alright, we're good. Oh, fuck. Walked in the woods. Literally just noticed that. You guys ever get these on your pants? Oh, these piss me off. I had them in my shoe once and I could never. Oh, no! No, they're everywhere. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna have to pick these off. Okay, those weren't as bad as I remember. Those used to be really bad to get off. But since it's later in the season, I guess they don't really live that much and stick to you and not be able to come off. Man, it is just a nasty day out. You know, I'd go for a walk right now. I wouldn't mind going for a walk. But I gotta go to work in an hour, so I thought I'd make a short little clip. Then I'm coming back, and I'll show you guys what I do for the rest of the day. Once I get off work. It'll be pretty boring. Got a boring vlog ahead of you guys. But tomorrow should be a lot better. So, well, maybe if it's nice out. I'll get back to you guys with a bit. Peace. What's up, guys? Logan D Vlogs here. It's the next day. Yesterday was pretty insane. We had some crazy storms. We had tornadoes, and it's mid-November. No idea how that happens. But it happened, so. But it's the next day, still wearing the same FedEx sweatshirt as yesterday. Not trying to show the logo this time, you know, because, you know, just in case. And, in my car, I'm about to go driving. So I thought I'd make a car cam really quick. Because whatever. It is really cold out. It's 43 and 30 mile an hour winds. It is very windy today. And we're gonna go walking. Hopefully it's not too cold, and I will see you guys when I'm there. Peace. Car cam. So we're about to go by Gage's house, and I thought, hey, let's wake him up. We're almost there anyways to the trail, so we got like 30 seconds. We'll be there. I'm just thinking, hey, let's wake up Gage since we're pretty close. And my car has a tendency to be very loud. Man, it is very windy. There's just leaves flying across the road. I don't know if you guys can see that. Take a right here. Oh, my phone's going off. Someone's calling me. We're good over there. Good over here. Alright, well, there's Gage's. Let's wake him up. Alright, let's go. Morning, Gage. And just like that, we're here. This is where we're going. Sabian has his train cams. I've got my car cams. I mean, I do have a dash cam, But I'm just thinking, hey, why not just fucking, I don't know. Got my keys. Alright. I will start it back up in a second when I'm out of my car. I gotta find my gloves. They're somewhere in here. And I gotta get my headphones and all my stuff together. So, see you guys back out in a second. Got in my car. Now we're gonna go for a nice little walk out of here. And we're gonna go towards the river. Because the river is beautiful. I'm just kidding, I don't know, it's pretty fucking nice, to be honest. It's like full of stuff. And sorry if it sounds very windy on the camera, the mic, because it is very windy out. There's a lot of sticks on the ground. Yeah, a storm that came through yesterday was pretty insane. But it's a beautiful day out today. That's all that matters, right? I am dressed in layers and layers of clothes. I'm gonna turn off my music really quick, or at least turn it down. Because the walk is kind of long to get there. It's like, I don't know, 20-minute walk. Or more, actually. It's a pretty long walk. But, you know, why not go for a walk? Look at all these sticks on the ground. Alright, there we go. Now I can put my camera better. I thought I had my gloves on me today. Ooh, look at this. It's like a tree fell. Yeah, a tree fell over here. You're like, oh, hey, nice, beautiful nature walk. And it's like, oh, no, there's a factory right there. But as I was saying, look at that bird. Oh, man. Hey, look, a squirrel. No, as I'm saying, let me stick to it. I thought I had my gloves on me, and I had one glove. Then I looked around, and apparently I only have this other mismatched glove. And it's kind of awkward to hold the camera with, so I'm not wearing it. I mean, I could wear the back. It'd feel weird. Wow, this tree really took a beating down here, didn't it? But, man, this would be pretty cool. If someone's walking right behind me, I just look at the camera like this and just look at them. But, it's a nice little nature walk. Might make a little weird, what is it, you can just look at the river for a little bit and I'll play some relaxing music. There you go, that'd be nice. I should do that. Man, look at this tree though. This tree took a beating. Just covering up the road. You know, I'm gonna be a nice guy. I'm gonna be a nice guy and I'm gonna move this. Just for other bikers. Never mind on that. The tree's heavy as fuck. Good luck, bikers. I'm not moving that. That's not going anywhere. God, that sun is bright. All the trees are dying. Fall's coming. It is freezing out. This can be a very long walk. It'll be nice though, I guess. Warning. What does that say? Radiation? No, I'm just kidding. It probably doesn't say radiation. It says something about underground cables. Well, I'll bring you guys back if I find anything interesting. It's getting pretty boring, so I'll just listen to my music and keep walking, I guess. I always thought this right here was pretty cool, so might as well add just a little bit of it. I just thought the structure looked cool. There you go, Sabian. You want some nature? There's some nature for you. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, there's a factory. You just can't get any nature out here, man. I feel like we didn't walk very far. We walked kind of far. Still not far enough. We've got quite a bit ways to go. Oh man, it's flooded down there. It rained pretty hard yesterday. If I had a bike, a GoPro, and a helmet, I'd be recording like that. That'd be an easier way to record. I would like to do that. Man, it was really flooded right down here. Oh, hey, there's another one of these things. I feel like someone's coming. This will probably be a long vlog of me just walking. Man. That's my life for you guys. Just walking. It's so boring. But it's nice. I wish it was still summer, man. Fall's coming. Fall's here. Winter's coming. I'm not ready for that. I want it to be warm again. I was losing a lot of weight and getting in shape in the summer. But now that fall's here, I don't want to deal with it. And it's not too bad out right now. But most of these days have been really cold. Hey, this power line up here looks like it fell. I think that's a power line. I wasn't here the other day when I came walking. Let's inspect. A lot of trees. Train tracks. I'd say let's walk the train tracks, but I'd say let's walk the train tracks, but they kind of just cut off into nowhere, into a nice little pit right here. Look at this. I was zoomed in that whole time, wasn't I? Wow. Let's walk the train tracks and have them lead to this nice little pit. Train track, pit. All right, back over this way. Man, please don't tell me I was zoomed in that whole time, because I'm gonna look like an idiot. Nah, I hope I wasn't zoomed in. Alright. Look at this. Power line? No, okay. So it's a snapped tree with an old power line behind it. Now, why would they put a power line that ever in time? Why would they put a power line this low? And it goes down a little bit, but I mean, still, like, why? Man. Well, now we gotta walk all the way up here. You can probably see it right up there. That's where we're going. But it's a lot further than it looks. That was me zooming in very far. But walking out here, I found like 20 dead mice on the trail. Like half eaten. Like, why? But then I'm like, oh man, I thought that was bad. And then I find some shit, man. Like, look at this. I don't know what the fuck that is. It looks like someone had a paper airplane, stuffed a toilet paper tube inside of it, stuffed a dead animal inside of it, and then fucking smashed it. What the fuck? Like, seriously, man. Like, Sabian, if you want to move to America, it's probably actually not that bad. Okay, so, okay, it is pretty bad. But, I mean, I'm sure you have worse stuff out in the UK. And fucking... No. Like, what the fuck? What is that? Devin, if you want to move out here because you're bored with life, your life won't be boring, man. You'll find dead fucking mice all over the trail. Oh, look at that lens flare. Man, look at this fucking silo, though. Big old smokestack. It's some, nuclear wasteland shit right there, dude. It's pretty big. Wow. Still a beautiful day, though. Let's go climb that radio tower. Maybe if I had a GoPro, I would do something fun like that, you know? Not have to hold it. That'd be pretty nice. There you go. There's some nature for you. Fuck that sun, though. Iowa. Terrible place. Alright, we're almost to the river. I'm sorry, I'll stop making random videos of me walking. You guys are probably getting tired of this crap, so peace. We're almost there. So close to the river. Yet so very far. Hey, look, another factory. Oh man, that wind! You guys ever see something like that and just think, oh man, I want to go slide down that? Fuck this wind, man. Gotta face away from it. We're almost there. Well, we made it. It's very windy out. Like, I am trying to block the mic from picking up all this wind, because it really is insane. But there it is, man. There's the river. It goes on for a long time. That thing ends up going all the way out until the Mississippi. So. I can get closer. Look at these train tracks, though. Let's get right on top of these things. Man, is that a train coming all the way down there? I can't tell. I want to say it is. I'd really like to get a view just from right here. There's some guys down there working. I'd like to get a view from right above the train. That would be insane. Oh, there. That was scary. Yeah, there's something wrong with this car. Alright, let's get a little bit closer to the river. The wind is just killing me. There, up there is the bridge. That is the bridge to go over the river. And that's where we're going. So let's go. God. Yes, a bench. I can go sit and lay and die in peace. Yes. Alright, good night. That bench smelled like homeless man's nutsacks. Nope. She tried to move the tree. That didn't work too well. Alright guys, back to my car. 2:42. It was a long walk. But we're back. Now I'm gonna go home, edit. I'll upload this and I'll let you people know that wanted me to upload this, that I uploaded it. So, peace out guys.